Vita Shanae here at Dr. Bolton's office, and joining us is a beautiful couple, Vito and Julie.
He's got a very young, vibrant personality. Excited. I think it's more nervous excitement.
And there was people walking in and out, and he's like, hey, come here, check him out. This is what I did here. Check this guy's scar out. There was a sense of comfort when I came into here and confidence that Dr. Bolton gave me twice as many, almost 8,000 hairs. I told a couple of guys that were there that I had the surgery done. They were all trying to find my suture lines, and nobody could even just go to one place if you're looking. I looked at 3 along. I did my homework on the internet. I wouldn't just sign up the first place I went.
I'm Vita Shanae, and Steve is joining us here today in Dr. Bolton's office.
When I had my kids, they're laying on my back and they're looking down and saying, Dad, you have a hole in the back of your head. Who, this guy or that guy or Dr. Bolton? And then the light went off. I never heard of Dr. Bolton.
Ooh.
And I looked on the website and I looked at the results.
So many resources on that website. Okay, here's before and then here's after.
No, it was
before and then after.
It was apples for apples.
Right.
And it was all after one procedure.
Right.
This before, way before. If I don't tell you, you won't know.
Never. Has anyone ever said, oh, I know that you had something done?
No.
Never.
Not even my closest friends.
What about
They
when
don't
you get
know.
your hair cut?
No, they don't know.
Wow. He's actually a model now.
Yeah.
Probably going to be an actor. He's great on camera. Thank you so much for joining us today. You're a delight.
Thank you very much.
I'm Vita Shanae, and we're here today in Dr. Brett Bolton's office. John, who's one of Dr. Bolton's patients. Thank you for joining us, John.
Well, thank you. A pleasure to be here.
So how did you narrow it down and decide on Dr. Bolton?
The outcome of it, and what they were telling me, so I decided to come to Dr. Bolton's. I would say within the first 3 months, I saw little follicles coming out.
Were you telling them what you did?
No, I did not.
There's no need to tell
No,
anyone.
I didn't tell anyone I had a hair transplant.
Result doesn't lie, guys. I mean,
Right.
look at this gorgeous head of hair. Come on. Thank you so much for joining us
Well,
today.
thank you. It was my pleasure.
We're very excited and happy
Thank you.
for you. Thank you so much, John. Greg joining us today, one of Dr. Bolton's patients. Triple the amount of hair in one procedure from Dr. Bolton.
At least starting to lose almost everything that I had originally
Was
lost in my mind. These guys were so ecstatic with Dr. Bolton. Made the appointment, came in, and he did the front, right? I was so satisfied. You do such a good job, there's no reason to come back. After 2 procedures, this is what I look like compared to if they show a before picture of the 3 procedures I had.
We'll show it. Patients want to talk to somebody, they can talk to you.
Absolutely.
What if you get 100 phone calls? Are you going to be able to handle that?
Oh, wait a minute. How about
Don't
just
worry.
a couple at a time?